Hello, my name is Ivan.
My name is Mustafa, and we're going to teach you how to create a standard page on Weebly.
So first you log into your Weebly app and you put your first initial, middle initial, your last name, and your student graduation number. So then you put capital BMS in the beginning and then your student ID. So when you're done, press the big blue login button and then you'll go to your home page.
And then what you're going to do is you go to there's going to be 4 tabs, and you're going to click website and go to edit site. Now this tab might pop up, but just re-click it and hopefully it'll work. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click the small little page button at the top right, and then you're going to click the add button. And then after you click the add button, you can name the page, you can add a header, a splash header. You can also hide the page in case you want it to be in case you don't want others to see it. And you can also change the SEO settings for the page, such as the title and other things. And then after you do that, you click the save button, and then you click the done button. And then after, you go back to edit site, click preview, and then you click publish on the top right, and then your site is gonna publish, and you will be able to see the link to your site, and you can check it out if you want, and the password's gonna be Bobcats. Bye. This is how to create a standard page. Bye.
Bye.